I'm just gonna do a fast test. These are 2 pieces of scrap. As you can tell, they're not straight lined or anything. They're a little bit cupped, so it's not gonna do the best job, but it's gonna show that it's at least working. This material is also obviously 4/4, so it's 3/4 nominal. And we have 2x4s for spacers in the inside just to fill the inside. So this is not the most ideal, but it should just give you an idea that the machine is actually working. And again, it's not going to come out flat because obviously it steps down. Got the timer set for, we'll do a little bit longer, we'll do 80 seconds, and that's only because there's so much lumber in it. Because again, if there's moisture in the other wood, it's going to be drying the wood instead of curing the glue. We're going to come in and just pick that out real fast. As you can see, it did glue the 2 boards together. Obviously, there was no top pressure, so it's not going to be as flat. It doesn't matter anyways. These are just scrap boards. If I try and break them apart, and this is, obviously after 80 seconds, you can tell they are glued together. Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to take a quick look at a Raytherm PM88 RF gluer. The PM stands for Panel Master. Your top pressure plate measures 92 inches wide and is 44 inches deep. The lower RF plate is in excellent condition, and it is going to measure 88 inches wide and 40 inches deep. The reason why it is a little bit smaller is you do have an insulator that runs around your perimeter. In the rear, you're going to notice you do have 14 pushers for edge pressure. Up top, you have 4 pneumatic cylinders for your top pressure. This machine is rated at 80 amps at 220 volts, 3-phase. You do have an automatic infeed that is powered by a 3/4 horsepower motor. We're going to dry run it real fast. I'm going to hit the forward button. It's going to automatically cycle. Those are 8-foot 2x4s if you're wondering. The machine has already been reset. Double palm activated. You're just going to come and hit your double palms. Once your lid is closed, you can let go. Your edge pressure is pushing in. Your RF is turned on. We do have it set for 60 seconds. As you can tell, you have both plate and grid meters. It's at 40 seconds currently. It is down to 20 seconds. That timer is going to basically end the cycle without doing anything. It's just about ending cycle now. It is now turned off RF. The lid will auto open up since the cycle has ended. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.